Hi, my name is Neha, and in this video, I want to share with you some best practices on how to successfully run mobile app install ads. Mobile app install ads is an effective way to drive installs to your mobile app. It's an ad that appears in mobile feed. You simply click on the ad, and it will take you directly to the App Store or Google Play to install the app. We have a series of videos to help you learn how to set up your app, learn how to use Power Editor to run mobile app install ads, and how to measure the ad. This video is specifically going to focus on the best practices listed here. So let's get started. First, use custom creatives to reach the right people with the right message at the right time. You have the option of uploading an image and a description right in the Ads tool where you build the ad. I strongly recommend that you use a custom creative that's relevant to your audience and localize text when you're reaching different regions. Another benefit of custom creatives is that you can test a bunch of creatives to understand what's working best and what's engaging with your audience. In Power Editor, you have the option of adding multiple ads within one campaign. Power Editor will automatically optimize for the ad and creative that's performing the best. This is an easy way to test your creatives. Another thing to note is to always remember to refresh your creatives every couple of weeks so that you're relevant and fresh to your audience. Now I want to share with you some tips on how to create effective images. First, make sure that your text is within 20% of the actual image. This is a requirement, so if you do have any text overlay that's more than 20% of the image won't be approved. So think about how you want to choose and design photos that send a message and tell a story without text necessarily. And this will make sure that your images are also very engaging. Next, make sure that your images are authentic to your audience. Consider using real people and real things. Another idea is to use screenshots so that the people will get a preview of the experience of your app. Next, you can also consider including mobile devices in your image. This can serve as a reminder that it is a mobile app, or for example, an iPad app. And most importantly, test. You have the ability to test different creatives, so see what's working and resonating with your audience. Second best practice, create separate campaigns for separate audiences. If you want to reach different people, for example, different geographies, different genders, different ages, create separate campaigns so that you can optimize reach within this target audience. This similarly holds true for devices too. With mobile app install ads, you can reach people on iPhone, on iPad, on Android devices, and you can reach people in different versions within these devices. So in order to make sure that you are getting reach within each of the devices, create separate campaigns when you're targeting the different devices. Third best practice, leverage our targeting capabilities. When you first start testing, start broad. Make sure that you have a reach of, let's say, around 500,000 people in your ads. Test it, see how you're performing before you get more narrow. Then, try to use our more advanced targeting features. One example is combining broad categories with precise interest. For example, a broad category could be running as an interest, and a precise interest targeting could be a specific brand. So you can target somebody who likes running within a specific brand. Another example is to use our mobile-specific categories. One example is new smartphone users, where you can target people who are new to smartphones. Another example is using custom audiences along with mobile app install ads, which can be very effective. For example, you can have a list of people who use your app on desktop, and you can target those specific people to let them know that you have a mobile app. Fourth and last best practice is integrate the SDK or work with the measurement partner. This way you'll get access to measurements such as installs. One benefit of this is that it'll help you understand how your ads are performing. You can track and measure CPI for your ads in Ads Manager. Another benefit is that you'll be able to measure the overall health of your apps. You'll be able to understand total app installs within our App Insights dashboard, and this is broken down by demographic. which can help you better understand who's using your app and who you want to target. If you want to use one of the measurement companies in order to get access to measurements such as installs or LTV, here's a link to where the measurement companies are. You can also look them up in the PMD directory. One last benefit of leveraging our SDK is you'll be able to bid using OCPM. This essentially allows us to optimize impressions for installs, which is very effective. We covered a lot, so let's just circle back and go through all the best practices. First, use custom creatives to reach the right audience with the relevant message. Make sure you're testing the creatives and also refreshing it every couple of weeks. Second, create separate campaigns to reach separate audiences. Third, leverage your targeting capabilities. When you're testing, start off broad, and as you understand our advanced capabilities, narrow in on the right audience. And 4, integrate our SDK or work with a mobile measurement partner to understand the performance of your ads and the performance of your app overall. We have a variety of online resources and videos to help you get started. In addition, on our online tutorial, there's a link where you can contact us to get started. Simply click on the link, fill out the form, and within 24 hours, somebody will get in touch with you. Hope this helps you achieve even more success running mobile app install ads.